Meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good Sunday evening, everyone. Here's the satellite picture of Tropical Storm Harvey. Still a minimal tropical storm, but that not deterring it from dumping more heavy rain and causing serious catastrophic flooding in southeast Texas. We are seeing some dry air funneling into the backside of the storm. That's why we're seeing fewer clouds toward the west, but we will continue to see some more clouds from time to time here in the valley for tonight into the next couple of days, along with a slight chance of some showers. Let me show you the watches and warnings. Tropical storm warning continues for areas north of Corpus Christi, east of San Antonio. Flash flood warning continues for the Houston area, including Harris County as well as Liberty County. All right, let's switch gears here and take a look at the latest numbers. Maximum winds are 40 miles per hour, moving very slowly to the east-southeast at 3 miles an hour. Now, Harvey's expected to move back toward the middle Texas coast by tomorrow, re-emerging in the Gulf of Mexico and then making a turn back toward the northeast, perhaps toward southeast Texas. More insult to injury for that area because of this track, and then the track potentially takes Harvey toward East Texas into Louisiana and Arkansas by the end of the work week. So here's the radar. The heaviest rains are shown in the reds and the oranges. Just a nightmare situation for Houston and Harris County. Not too much rain right now toward Victoria. There's a center of circulation to the northeast of Victoria. I would strongly discourage traveling to Houston at this time from the valley because of the flooding concerns, the flooding threat and heavy rain. And even if you're trying to think of going to San Antonio and Austin, you may run into very heavy rain over the next few days because of Harvey. They've had flash flood watches in place along that I-35 corridor today. We'll zoom in here. You can see the heavy rain, very heavy rain continuing to pound Harris County, western Harris County, west of Houston. Some of those heavy rains moving through Beaumont all the way up to East Texas. Now, let me show you this map. This is the Doppler estimated rainfall amounts over the past 24 hours. And keep in mind, these are very rough estimates. We're looking at about at least 18.3 inches north of Liberty, Texas. Meanwhile, 16.4 north of or just around to the southeast of Bush Airport in Houston, 8.4 toward Conroe, 15.4 south of the Woodlands. Look at that, 14.4 in northwest Harris County. That's on 290, and then 14 inches or maybe even more toward Sugar Land. And also remember that some spots have already seen more than 25 inches of rain. And get this, some areas in southeast Texas, including Houston, could get as much as 50 inches of rain when this is all said and done this week. We move up the coast, or rather up toward East Texas. You can see the heavy rains for Lufkin. Those rain bands continue to move through East Texas as well as into Louisiana. Here in the valley, much quieter, temperatures in the low to mid 80s. We are going to keep in a slight chance of some spotty showers for tonight into tomorrow. Day planner forecast the first day of school for many kids. There is a slight chance of shower in the morning as well as for the afternoon. Temperatures in the lower 80s, but we're talking about mainly light to moderate rain showers. 93 at noon and 96 degrees at 5 p.m. So here's future track clouds from time to time. The case, the model still hints at a chance of some spotty showers for the afternoon because of Harvey's outer rain bands. Partly cloudy sky should be the case for tomorrow. We'll keep in a 30% chance of showers in the forecast for tomorrow and Tuesday, down to a 10% chance of shower on Wednesday. Small craft should use caution on the waters for tonight and tomorrow. Bay waters are choppy. Your next tide is a high tide at 10:26 in the evening, and the seas are 4 to 8 feet. So here's that 7-day forecast. It will stay hot. Those winds come off the mountains here, off the mountains in Mexico. That's why the temperatures will soar into the upper 90s, even triple digits for tomorrow through Wednesday. But then, as the winds start to come back from the south to southeast, those temperatures come down for the second half of the week. Highs are back in the mid-90s for Thursday and Friday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.